Here's the problem. The other day, I tried to update a streaming app on my TV. So I opened the Google Play Store, and suddenly I got this error. Something went wrong. Check your Wi-Fi. But here's the strange part. My Wi-Fi was working perfectly. I could stream videos on other apps without any issue. Yet the Play Store kept showing the same error, even after refreshing multiple times. If you've experienced this, don't worry. I found the cause, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. And if this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, what's causing the problem? The issue is usually caused by Google Play Store updates. Many Android TVs run older versions of Android, like Android 6, 7, or 9, while newer updates are designed for recent versions like Android 14. Because of this mismatch, the Play Store may stop working properly. Here is how to fix that. Press the Settings button on your remote or navigate to Settings on your screen. Go to Apps. Then select See All Apps. Scroll down and enable Show System Apps. Scroll down and find Google Play Services. Tap on it. Select Clear Data. This will also clear the cache. Go back and find Google Services Framework. Tap on it, then select Clear Data and Clear Cache. Now go back to the apps list and open Google Play Store. Avoid tapping Clear Data because that will sign you out of your account. Now, select Uninstall Updates. This step is very important because the latest updates are what caused the error. Now restart your TV. Once it turns back on, open the Google Play Store again. It should now work normally without any error. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.